Hey folks, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. So Dion sent in his pin style calipers, bought his pistons, was going to redo him himself. That's all fine and dandy. Here's your parts. Here's your new piston, your new dust boot. These Kelsey Hayes calipers. That's the piston seal. So, first off, they present a little challenge for the normal person. And I do these myself. Nobody else around here does these. This was passed down from Uncle Ron about how to do these things, what's required. So the biggest challenge is you got to get them apart because they're almost always stuck. So you got to get them apart. Then you really need a steel shot blaster to get them clean because you need to get the piston bores cleaned, and dust boot grooves, and the seal. So that's your first challenge. That could take somebody a couple of days, at least, if they didn't have the right equipment. And you got to remember, these things need to be greased up on assembly. And of course, you don't want to introduce any petroleum byproduct, distillate, regular grease into any of this old original rubber. You're asking for swelling and all kinds of problems. We have to use the same, basically it's Corning, call it insulating compound, but this is synthetic grease. Synthetic grease. We also have to use it on the booster parts and the rubber. You cannot get a petroleum product of any type around brake items. It's just a bad idea. It's a super bad idea. So once you get your seal in there, get your piston ready. I've already got the dust boot on. You got to work that dust boot into the groove. Now, Dion up here in Minnesota, he tried to do this, tore up piston. We got a big deep groove in this dust boot retaining spot, but it is going to be okay. It's right there, a little bit worse, and it wouldn't have been too sporty. Now you got to get that dust boot into that back groove. Then work him in the front. Now I've done one or two of these before, and sometimes, well, the people around here, even the people around here say that I make it look easy and that it's misleading the customers, but it is what it is. Once you get it to there, you've got to have, well, for better terms, you got to have a very specific mechanics wiggle. And to get that damn piston to go down in there in that square cut ring, this one went easy as pie. This one right here is giving me a little bit of blowback. This is the one that he messed up a little bit. I finally got it. Once you get it, you'll know that piston will go down. I made that look easy. I've had some people try 10 or 15 times and can't do that. That's kind of, so, piston installed, pin caliper, got to put in new rubber bushings, new bleeders. These pad anti-rattle clips, you don't need to run that nonsense. Can if you want to, but that's nonsense on the pin caliper. Basically, they did away with that later on. There you go, my friends. 2 Mopar pin calipers. Remember now, that's the best of the best. If you want the best, run pin calipers. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing. Bye.